I'm Tim Clark, president of Lebanon Power and Apparatus. I've been with Lebanon Power and Apparatus for 44 years.
I'm Mitchell Clark with Lebanon Power and Apparatus. Been here for 44 years. So I'm Tony Clark. I've been with Lebanon Power basically my whole life.
I'm Debbie Thompson, and I am over the accounting and finances. I've been with Lebanon Power and Apparatus pretty much since I graduated high school, which was 1984. After Dad graduated from high school, he went into the Navy, into the submarine service, and after his honorable discharge from the Navy, he went to work in Louisville at General Electric Apparatus. And after 8 years there, he decided he wanted to get out on his own and start his own company.
My dad started Lebanon Power and Apparatus in 1963.
Started with very few customers, but gained loyalty. Some of Dad's original customers are still with us today.
Mom and Dad, that's all they had, put everything into the company. And as we grew up, that was what we were taught. By listening to them and watching their actions, the company is what we all stood for. Probably in 1990, we expanded the shop to a Bowling Green location as one of our first expansions.
In 2015, we expanded in our Lebanon location to a 47,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. With the 2015 expansion, we became one of the largest independent motor shops in the state of Kentucky.
The future of our company is growth, and we're expanding every year at a rate of probably around 5%. And the reason we're doing that, and we're able to do that, is because the repair work that goes out of our shop stays out of our shop. Our customers now expect reliability, quality, and integrity from us, and that's what they get, whether it's a small job from a bakery or if it's a reversing mill motor from a steel mill. Both of those units to us are the same.
We pride ourselves on being a family-owned business for the last 60 years.
We're looking forward to the future growth with our employees, continuing our plans like Dad had started 60 years ago.
We're looking forward to, for the third generation, to continue Dad's dreams for quality, reliability, and service to our customers.